welcome to our read aloud. Today it is Click, Clack, Quackity, Quack. This is from the series that started with Click, Clack, Moo, Cows That Type. All of these were written by Doreen Cronin and illustrated by Betsy Lewin. So let's find out about this alphabetical adventure. Here's our title page with our author and illustrator's names on here. A. Animals Awake. That is the A you see in books. B. Beneath Blue Blankets. C. Clickety clack. That clickety clack sound is from a typewriter. A typewriter is a machine that people used to use to write on by pressing the keys, kind of like when you're on a keyboard, but it printed out your paper there and you didn't have a screen to look at. D, ducks dashing. E, eggs emptying because they're hatching. F, flippity flip. G, book G again, goats grooming, which means they're cleaning each other. H, hens helping. I, inchworms inching. Jumpity jump. I don't know about that duck. I don't trust him. K, kittens kicking. L, leaping, licking. M, mice munching. N, nibbling, nibbles. So duck has a wagon, and I see an umbrella, I see a blanket, and I see, looks like a picnic basket. I wonder where he's off to. Oh, only one pig peeking. P for pig. Quack Q, quackity quack. Oh, the mice have joined in now. R, rain raining. S, sleep, sleeping. T, tippity toe. U, under umbrellas. Still not sure where they're going. There's a little few clues here and there. V, vroom. Looks like the rain stopped. W, watermelons waiting. And look at all the animals coming. It looks like he set up a picnic. X marks the picnic spot. It is a picnic. Y, yawns yawning. They must be full. Z, zzz. They're all sleeping. So that's the end of our story. Click, clack, quackity, quack. I hope you enjoyed it.